Unraveling the Secrets of Ancient Grains, a guide to traditional cereals. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of ancient grains. These are not your typical supermarket cereals. They're grains that have been around for thousands of years and are making a big comeback in our modern diets. So, let's dive in and discover what makes ancient grains so special. Ancient grains are a group of grains and cereals that have been grown and consumed for thousands of years, virtually unchanged. This includes varieties like quinoa, amaranth, millet, and farro. These grains are often praised for their nutritional benefits and have been a staple in various cultures around the world. One of the key reasons for the growing popularity of ancient grains is their nutritional value. They are often high in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. For example, quinoa is known for its high protein content, while amaranth is rich in iron and calcium. Including these grains in your diet can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Ancient grains have been a cornerstone in many diets around the world. In this section, we'll explore how different cultures have used these grains. For instance, quinoa has been a staple in the Andean culture, while millet has been widely used in African and Asian cuisines. Cooking with ancient grains can be both fun and healthy. We'll go through some easy and delicious recipes that you can try at home. Whether it's a quinoa salad or a millet porridge, there's something for everyone to enjoy. I hope this video has been informative and has sparked your interest in ancient grains. They're not just nutritious but also a link to our culinary history. Try incorporating some of these grains into your diet and explore their rich flavors and benefits. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking with ancient grains.